myself Sai Prasad, a lecturer in Ahmedabad High School and the Junior College. Welcome to a series of the lectures of Intermediate First Year Maths B. What did we learn? We learned about what is differentiation in our last session. What did we learn from that? That is, what is the first principle, how do we differentiate, and we have learned the basic formulas of a standard function, right? What is that we have to remember from that? We have to learn the formulas, and the second thing we have to we have to learn product rule and the addition and subtraction rule also. And the third most thing you have to remember in the differentiation is, if there is some function, some f of x. For example, let us say if this is a function, in which form is it? Do I know the formula of 7 minus 3x? No, right? I know only the formula of root x. Then just apply the root x formula here also, whatever it is inside. And the next step should be differentiate this function again. Is it clear? Simply what is that I want to tell here is, for example, if f is a function of g of x, okay, then first differentiate f of x and put g of x as it is, then differentiate g of x. Is it clear? That is, if I say some under root, let us say some e power x, okay, what is the square root, what is the differentiation of root x? That is 1 by 2 root x, okay. Again, instead of x, what is there? E power x. Again you have to differentiate and multiply it. Differentiation of e power x is again e power x. Is it clear? By keeping all this into our mind, we have to solve all the questions, okay. Fine. See here, the first question here it is root x 2x power 3 by 4 plus 3x power 5 by 6. These are just standard forms. How? This is the form that is directly in the root x, that is 1 by 2 root x. Okay. Now say here 2 is a constant, you need not multiply it. Okay. Just put aside. If it is a single constant, you have to differentiate as 0. Okay. If it is 2 into some function, so 2 will be the constant. The differentiation of x power 3 by 4 is x power n formula, that is n into x power n minus 1. Okay. Similarly here also 3 is a constant, 5 by 6 into x power 5 by 6 minus 1. Okay. Is it not easy? That's it. Only we are using the formula x power n, that is n into x power n minus 1. Right? See here, just simplified 1 by 2 root x plus 2 1s are 2 2s are 3 by 2 x power 3 by 4 minus 1, that is minus 1 by 4. Yes or not? LCM is 4, 3 minus 4 plus 3 1s are 3 2s are, this is 5 by 2 x power 5 minus 6, that is minus 1 by 6. Done. That's it. That is what the answer is. What is the formula we have used? Only x power n. Let us see here. Here again the notion changed. Instead of simple x, they gave 2x minus 3 inside the square root itself. That is, here the differentiation of this is 1 by 2 root 2x minus 3 into derivation of 2x minus 3 plus here also 1 by under root 2 under root 7 minus 3x into derivative of 7 minus 3x. Yes or no? What is the formula we have used here? Root x is 1 by 2 root x. Again, instead of x, whatever it is there, we have to differentiate it again. Okay. Now say here 1 by 2 root 2x minus 3. Differentiation of 2x. 2 is a constant. Differentiation of x is 1. How? Tell me. Differentiation of x is, here it is 1. 1 into x power 1 minus 1. This is 0. X power 0 is 1. Is it clear? Remember that. Minus differentiation of 3 is 0 plus 1 by 2 root 7 minus 3x into differentiation of 7 is 0 minus 3 into differentiation of x is 1. 2 into 1 is 2 by 2 root 2x minus 3 plus minus 3 by 2 into 7 minus 3x. Therefore, this will become as 1 by 2, here 2 will get cancelled, minus 3 by 2 under root 7 minus 3x. Is it not easy to solve? What is that we have to remember again? The first thing is we have to remember the formula. Second, if it is in addition, we have to differentiate separately. If it is in multiplication, we have to use the formula of UV rule, that is UV dash plus VU dash. And the third thing we have to remember is, instead of x, whatever the function is there, just think as a separate function and differentiate it. Clear? Very nice. Look at this question. Here there are two things, x square minus 3, 4x cube plus 1. Okay. Here we can do it in two different ways. First thing, just multiply everything and differentiate. Second thing, take this as u, take this as v. Okay. Let us do it in UV rule. However, if we differentiate, everything will be in terms of exponent, we can do it. Let us do it in UV rule. Okay. Let us say this as u and this as v. Fine. See here, what is the differentiation of uv? That is uv dash plus vu dash. Right? That is, we have to put this as it is first, then differentiation of second term, plus second term will be, we have to put the second function as it is, then differentiate the first one. Clear? See here, x square minus 3 into, here differentiation of 4x cube, differentiation of 4 is 4, x cube, that is x power n, 3 into x power 3 minus 1, that is 3x square, plus differentiation of 1 is 0, plus 4x cube plus 1 into, again differentiation of x square, 2 into x power 1 minus 1, however it is 0, 2x. Therefore, this will be x square minus 3 into 4 3s are 12x square plus 4x cube plus 1 into 2x. Clear? If you want to multiply and write the answer also, it's fine, and put like that also, it's okay. Clear? Did you understand? The only thing which we have used here is UV rule. Clear? Is it not easy to solve? Fine. Just check this question, next one. I will not write any formulas from here. 5 sin x plus e power x log x it seems. What is the derivative of sin x do we have? Just remember for this question, derivative of sin x is cos x. Plus here let us take it as UV rule. That is e power x into differentiation of log x is 1 by x plus log x into differentiation of e power x is e power x. Answer is done. Right? How did I do? You have to remember this. No one will write each and every step like this. Just directly write it. Clear? Did you understand? Fine. These are all different basic functions problems. Yes. Here we got sin x. Sin x ka differentiation is cos x. Similarly, we have differentiation of all standard trigonometric function. Just write, copy down. That is, differentiation of sin x is cos x. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Differentiation of tan x is secant square x. Differentiation of cot x, or else let us write cosecant x, is cosecant x cot x. Differentiation of secant x is secant x tan x. Differentiation of cot x is minus cosecant square x. Here also it is minus. Clear? These are all next 6 set. In the first set we have learned 6 standard forms. Here we are going to learn 6 more standard derivatives. These are all derivatives of trigonometric functions. That is, sine ka differentiation is cos, cos ka differentiation minus sin x, differentiation of tan is secant square, cosecant differentiation minus cosecant into cot, secant differentiation is secant into tan, cot differentiation is minus cosecant square into x. Clear? Is it not easy? Shall we do a few more problems? Let's do. Look at the next questions here. The question given here, it is e power 2x log x. What is the form of this? That is again UV rule. Just take this as u, take this as v. Then what is next? U differentiation of v. From next step I am not going to write like this. Then again u differentiation of e power 2x. Clear? See here, e power 2x will be as it is. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x plus log x into differentiation of e power 2x is e power 2x into derivative of 2x. Why instead of x there is 2x. Therefore, the answer will be e power 2x by x plus log x e power 2x into differentiation of 2 is 2x is 2 because differentiation of x however it is 1. Clear? See here the next question. Till now we have seen different combination of addition, subtraction, product also we have seen. This is the next sum, that is differentiation of u by v rule. Okay, that is differentiation of u by v is vu dash minus uv dash by v square. Right? Let us say numerator as v and denominator as v. Numerator as u and denominator as v. Therefore, that will be a plus x into derivative of numerator minus a minus x into derivative of denominator whole divided by square of denominator. Right? See here, u v dash, that is a minus x ka differentiation, v u dash. Okay? See here, let us write directly now. A plus x into differentiation of a is 0, differentiation of x is 1 minus a minus x into differentiation of a is 0, differentiation of x is 1 divided by a plus x whole square. This will be minus a minus x, let us multiply this also, minus a plus x divided by a plus x whole square. Here x will get cancelled, I will get minus 2a by a plus x whole square. Is it clear? Is it not easy to solve? What is that we have to remember? U by v rule ka formula we have to remember. Is it clear? Shall we do next problem? See here. The next problem is in the form of 7 power x cube plus 3x, that is in the form of a power x. Tell me the formula of a power x, that is a power x log a. Now tell me what is a here? A is the constant, that is 7. What is x? X cube plus 3x, which means that we have to differentiate it again. Clear? Now tell me the answer, that is 7 power x cube plus 3x into log 7 into differentiation of x cube plus 3x. Now tell me the answer, 7 power x cube plus 3x log 7 into 3x square plus 3. Clear? That is the answer, nothing more than that. Here a power x log a into differentiation of this x cube square differentiation is 3x square, 3x differentiation is 3. Clear? Now see here, what is the question here? Sine of log x at sums. Do we know the formula of sine x? Yes, right. Differentiation of sine x is cos x. Again, what is there instead of x? That is log x into differentiation of log x. Therefore, this will become as cos of log x into differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Answer is cos log x by x. Clear? Are these questions not easy? The only thing we have to remember is the formulas. Without formulas we can't do anything in this chapter. Clear? Shall we do a few more problems? Let's do. Look at these questions here. Here he gave e power x plus sin x into cos x. Right? What is the differentiation of e power x? Direct e power x. Differentiation of sin into cos will be uv rule. Is it fine? See here, let us write the solution. Differentiation of e power x is e power x. Here let us take this as u and let us take this as v. From now I am going to write it directly. That is differentiation of sin x into cos x is sin x into cos x ka differentiation is minus sin x plus cos x will be as it is. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. Therefore, my answer is e power x minus sin square x plus cos square x. If someone is very excellent in trigonometry, he can write it as cos square minus sin square is cos 2x. Clear? Now see here, check out this next question. A power x into e power x square. Again that is in the form of uv. Okay? uv dash a power x into e power x square differentiation is e power x square into 2x plus v u dash a power x differentiation is a power x log a. That's it. That's what the answer. If you want, you can simplify it as 2a power x e power x square into x plus e power x square into a power x into log a. There is nothing more to simplify. Clear? Did you understand? What is this? We have to remember here UV rule. UV rule in the sense we have to put u as it is, then differentiate v, plus we have to put v as it is, then differentiate our u. Clear? If it is in 2 variable. Let us do the same with the 3 variables also. Okay. Before that, see one more problem here. Log of log x to the base 7. Do we have any formula like this? No, right? So let us write it as log a to the base b can be written as log a by log b. Hope you know this formula. Based on this, we will write it as log of log x by log 7. Okay. If this is y, then the differentiation of that is given by 1 by log 7 will be constant. Oh, yes or no? Then log of log x ka differentiation is 1 by log x into 1 by x. Therefore, my answer is 1 by x log 7 log x. Clear? Is it not easy to solve? Fine. Now look at this question. X e power x sin x, that is in the form of u, v, w. Till now we have seen only u and v's. From where did this u, v, w come? That is when three terms are multiplying with each other, we have to find the derivative. Okay. How to do? Same as we have did in the 2 variables product. Here also we can use put first 2 as cons, put it like that, differentiation of sin x. Let me write like this for this time, and or else let me write it clearly, into derivative of sin x plus, let us put first and last and put differentiation of e power x plus, let us put e power x sin x as it is and differentiation of x. Clear? In the first term, we have written first 2 terms as it is, differentiation of third. In the second term, we have differentiated this e power x. In the third term, we have differentiated first term. Okay? You can do anything, it's up to you. However, it is addition. X e power x, differentiation of sin x is cos x. Then next here also x. However, differentiation of e power x is e power x into sin x. Here differentiation of x is 1. Therefore, this is my answer. If we want, we can take common here e power x also, then we get it as e power x into x cos x plus x sin x plus sin x. It's up to you. Fine. See here the next question. Which form it is? U by v form. I'll write directly here. That is v square. Okay. In the next v u dash cx plus d ka differentiation is c by x differentiation is 1, however c is a constant, d differentiation is 0. Then cx plus d into ax plus b differentiation is a. If you want to multiply you can, or else if you want to put like this also you can. Just multiply acx plus bc minus acx minus ad divided by cx plus d whole square. If you want to cancel, you can cancel these both. This will be bc minus ad by cx plus d whole square. Is it clear? What all we learned? We started with the basic standard forms differentiation. Then we did different forms, that is u, v, u by v, even u by w also. And we learned about the differentiation of trigonometric functions. Fine. Let us do a few more problems based on this trigonometric differentiation. See here the standard formulas, the next set of formulas which we have to remember. We have learned first 6 set of basic functions, the next 6 set of trigonometric function, and the third 6 set is of inverse trigonometric function, that is differentiation of sine inverse x is 1 by 1 minus x square under root. Cos inverse x is just the same as it is with a negative sign. Okay. Tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square, cot inverse x is minus 1 by 1 plus x square, cosecant inverse x is minus 1 by mod x into x square minus 1, secant inverse x is 1 by mod x into x square minus 1. Okay. And the next hyperbolic function differentiation, this is next set. Sine ki differentiation is cos hx, cos differentiation is sin hx, tan is secant h square x. Right? The difference between trigonometric and hyperbolic is here we used to get minus. Yes, there is no negative. For cosecant, secant, cot will get minus, which is not there in the normal trigonometric function. Right? And the next inverse. Here this is minus x square, here it is plus. Here it is 1 minus x square with a negative sign, here it is x square minus 1. Here it is 1 plus x square, here it is 1 minus x square. Even for cot inverse h inverse x, these both will be same. Secant inverse x, secant h inverse is as it is, but here it is 1 minus x square. Cosecant h inverse, for cosecant h inverse, we'll get 1 plus x square. Clear? However, you remember all these things. Okay, it's mandatory to remember each and every formula. How you remember, it's up to you. You can have some tricks such as, see here, you can see 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square minus 1, 1 minus x square. There will be slight comparison between their reciprocals and everything, or however you want to remember, it's up to you. Clear? And once again, before going to the next exercise, these all formulas are mandatory. If you learn these formulas, then only we can start our next exercise. Clear? Once again, I am telling, it is mandatory that again I will expect you to remember all these formulas. How many set? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 set, each of 6 formula, totally 30 formulas. Clear? By next session. Fine? Yes. This is for today. Let us meet in the next session with the more problems of differentiation. Thank you.